Pineapples are a delicious tropical fruit that offer many health benefits. From boosting immunity to improving cognitive function, pineapples are a nutrient-rich food that can have positive effects on your overall health. Here are 13 benefits of eating pineapple, backed by science. 1. Boosts immunity. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which is a known immune booster. Vitamin C helps fight off infection and diseases by stimulating the production of white blood cells. 2. Aids digestion. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids in the digestion of proteins. Bromelain also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut. 3. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of bromelain may also help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation has been linked to many chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Pineapple is high in potassium, a mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure and keep the heart healthy. The vitamin C content of pineapple also helps to reduce cholesterol levels, which can help to lower the risk of heart disease. 5. Promotes bone health. Pineapple contains manganese, an important mineral for bone health. Manganese helps form bones and connective tissue, as well as supports collagen production. 6. May help with weight loss. Pineapple is high in fiber and low in calories, making it a great snack for those trying to lose weight. Fiber provides feelings of fullness without adding extra calories or fat, helping you eat less overall. 7. May reduce the risk of cancer. Pineapple contains compounds that are thought to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. One study found that pineapple extracts were able to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells. 8. Improves skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps keep skin looking youthful and wrinkle-free. The anti-inflammatory properties in bromelain can also help reduce inflammation associated with acne. 9. Aids in wound healing. The anti-inflammatory properties in bromelain may help speed up the wound healing process by reducing inflammation and redness around wounds. Bromelain also helps break down scar tissue, which may help prevent scars from forming after a wound has healed. 10. Improves cognitive function. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin B1, which is essential for cognitive function. Vitamin B1 helps the body convert food into energy, which is necessary for the brain to function properly. 11. Supports eye health. The vitamin A content in pineapple helps to support eye health and prevent vision problems. Vitamin A is essential for the production of visual pigments, which help us see in low light conditions. 12. Prevents macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is a common age-related vision problem that can lead to blindness. Antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene may help to prevent macular degeneration by protecting the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. 13. Boosts energy. The natural sugars in pineapple help to give you a quick boost of energy. Eating pineapple can help improve your alertness and focus, making it an excellent snack for those feeling sluggish during the day. In conclusion, pineapples are truly a powerhouse superfood with numerous benefits that can improve overall health and well-being. Eating a moderate amount of pineapple as part of a balanced diet will help reap maximum benefits from this tasty tropical fruit. Thanks for watching.